Good morning, everyone. Happy Monday. Welcome to Join Jackie Mondays at 10. I've missed a couple of weeks. I have been away and we also had a long weekend. So here we are back again, and I'm talking about advanced healthcare directives today. So an advanced healthcare directive is a way of recording your wishes for your medical treatment, so your healthcare. Now, the advanced healthcare directive is followed if you're very unwell, and certainly if you've lost capacity and you can't make decisions for yourself anymore. So it works hand in hand really well with the medical power of attorney. So if you appoint someone to make medical treatment decisions for you as a medical power of attorney, they then obviously give instructions and make decisions for you if you can't make them for yourself. But have you told that person what they want? Or rather what your wishes are? They have to act in accordance with your wishes, not in relation to their own needs and emotions about the situation. So how do they know what you want? Well, you can tell them, or you can write your wishes down, or you can do an advanced healthcare directive. Now, there are two forms of advanced healthcare directive. There is a binding and a non-binding. A non-binding one can be done in whatever format, in whatever way you like. We have a version that we can give you, and you can do that yourself. Quite a few hospitals and other places have one. You can probably Google it and download something. There's not a standard format that you need to use, but understand that it's non-binding. So it's just a recording of your wishes. And this is why it works very well with the medical power of attorney, because the person you've appointed has to follow your directions. Now, a binding version, though, doesn't need a power of attorney appointed. So if you, and this was only introduced in about 2019, if you are, for example, in palliative care, you're towards the end of your life and you want to record what your wishes are, you can do it in a binding form. You need to do it with a doctor in that situation. So you can't just record your wishes. It's a special form that's done with a doctor, not a lawyer, and it sets out what your wishes are in that situation. Now, if a doctor or any medical staff know that you've done that document and it should be in your file and everywhere that's relevant, then they have to follow that directive without even consulting a power of attorney. So, that, I suppose, helps in emergency situations or in day-to-day care as well, where you don't want to keep running little decisions past someone all the time, or if it's an emergency and there's no time to wait and actually find who is the medical power of attorney and ask them. If you've got an advanced healthcare directive, then that needs to be followed. So, does everyone need an advanced healthcare directive? No, look, I don't think so. Because again, if you're appointing people you trust as a medical power of attorney, which I think is more important to do, if you appoint people that you trust and know you deeply, they're going to know what your wishes are in broad terms. It's when you have conflict within families, or you're appointing someone who's not an immediate family member, that you probably do want to have an advanced healthcare directive so that someone can't jump up and down and say that there was doubt about what your wishes are. So there you are. I hope that's helpful. If this video was helpful and you believe it will be helpful for someone you know, please tag their name in the comments or send it to them via Messenger. While this video is live today, it will be saved onto our videos page in the Facebook page. So there's a tab there. There's over 100 videos. It's a really good place to start if you're not sure about something. And if we haven't done the topic, ask us. Happy to do and answer questions so that there's a recording and a quick place to go. Otherwise, contact us on email if you want to ask any further questions, or you want to ask about an advanced healthcare directive and the process of appointing a medical power of attorney. Have a great week. I'll catch you again next week.